Thinking about diving into Steam on your MacBook Air? You've come to the right place, because today we're making it happen step by step, so you can unlock a universe of games right on your Apple laptop. First things first, let's open up your web browser. Safari, Chrome, whatever you use is perfectly fine. In the search bar, type in download Steam and hit enter. You'll see several results, but we're looking for the official Steam website. Navigate to the official Steam website. On their homepage, you should see a prominent button, usually near the top, that says Install Steam. Click on that button. Once you click Install Steam, you'll likely be taken to a download page. Look for the option specifically for Mac OS. It might say Download for Mac or show an Apple logo. Click on that to begin the download of the Steam installer file. Your MacBook Air will now download a file, usually a DMG file, which contains the Steam application. You can see the progress in your browser's download bar, and once it's finished, you can usually click on it directly from there to open it, or find it in your downloads folder. With the DMG file open, you'll see the Steam application icon and often a shortcut to your applications folder to install Steam. Simply click and drag the Steam application icon and drop it into the applications folder. This copies the game client to where it belongs on your Mac. Now that Steam is copied over, you can safely close the DMG window and eject it. If it's still mounted, you can find Steam by opening your applications folder. Just scroll through until you see the familiar Steam icon. Go ahead and double-click the Steam icon to launch the application. For the first time, it will likely need to download some updates to get everything ready, which can take a few minutes depending on your internet connection. Once the updates are complete, you'll be greeted with the familiar Steam login screen. If you already have a Steam account, enter your username and password. If you're new, you can create a free account right here. And just like that, you've successfully installed Steam on your MacBook Air. You now have access to a massive library of games, community features, and much more, all ready to be explored on your Apple laptop. Happy gaming!